crypto golf impact. It sounds like two wildly different worlds colliding, doesn't it? Golf, slow, methodical, requiring patience. Crypto, fast, volatile, a tech whirlwind. But there's an interesting convergence happening here that's changing the game, quite literally. Let me explain. So, golf has always been this precision-driven sport with huge emphasis on analytics, distance, wind speed, spin. Enter blockchain and crypto, offering transparency and advanced data integration. Now players, coaches, and event organizers have tools to capture every swing in real time. Still with me? The crypto part comes in through decentralization. For example, golf tournament winnings or event funding can now be distributed instantly, globally, without endless fees or middlemen. Even smaller tournaments can get in the game, reaching bigger audiences with minimal friction. Here's the pain point crypto is tackling: trust. Golf has had its share of prize disputes and controversies. Blockchain makes transactions transparent. Smart contracts automate payouts with no arguments. It's like an invisible referee, keeping everyone honest. Another angle is NFTs. Imagine owning a digital collectible of Tiger Woods' legendary Masters-winning shot, or even a moment from a local event you attended. Fans invest emotionally in sports. Crypto just lets them literally invest in their favorite moments. Even better, fantasy golf leagues powered by crypto are on the rise. Instead of just bragging rights, you can now win actual tokens or even sponsor your favorite players directly. Money meets fandom. It's honestly kind of genius. Here's where it gets deeply interesting: golf simulators. These digital arenas are exploding in popularity, and crypto payments are making them borderless. No more fiddling with currency exchanges. You're playing courses all over the world from your couch with players in any time zone. Memberships are another pain point crypto fixes. Private clubs often come with steep annual fees and gatekeeping. Tokenized memberships create flexibility. If a token grants access to a club, you can sell or rent it to someone else when not in use. Problem solved. Fundraising for golf is often stuck in the Stone Age. Think banquets and auctions. Cryptocurrencies have created a faster route for crowdfunding. Players raise sponsorship money, or charities initiate global campaigns without waiting for bank wires or losing funds to third-party fees. Pro tip: if you're getting into this space, research DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. They're popping up to organize tournaments, split sponsorships, and even pool resources to buy shares in golf courses. It's like building a golf community on steroids, with rules. No lie, I see how these worlds might seem incompatible at first glance. But golf is one of those sports that thrives on innovation while preserving tradition. Crypto solutions are scaling its accessibility and modernizing areas that have been stiff for decades. My one hesitation? Volatility. Crypto markets can flip overnight. Imagine being promised $20,000 in prizes in some coin and waking up to half that. Stablecoins are an interesting fix, but where's the excitement in a no-drama coin? That's half of crypto's appeal. People might roll their eyes and say golf didn't need crypto. But that's the thing. Few industries need it, but some get a lot better with it. Golf's just leveraging tools that make sense and inviting a younger, more digitally engaged audience. And that's how the game adapts.